T20 World Cup 2026 Super 8 Game 1. Game start delayed due to rain, which has started after the toss. Pakistan plays New Zealand. Pakistan wins toss and elects to bat first. At Colombo, possibility of rain. Pakistan have decided to bat first. There is a possibility of swing and moisture will come into effect. This may not have been the best decision, as rain is likely to interrupt play. Pakistan have two fast bowling option and still will rely on spin option. New Zealand on the other hand have four spin options and have two fast bowling options. One express pace in Lokey Ferguson will be a big difference and the pitch will not make any impact on this. Overall, New Zealand have all their three games in Colombo, so they have prepared their squad based on spin. The ground here is big, so big shots may not be so many. However, conversion of singles to twos will be the key difference between the two sides.